Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Tony here from Does Details. We're gonna be doing a quick unboxing over here. If you guys see this, it's just a test panel, okay? So I have to create some scratches in order to, do some trainings with my students. So, but anyways, let's see what we got going on over here from Car Supplies Warehouse. Let's see. Ooh, I know what is this. Geist. So nice. Look at that guy right there. So nice. That's it. That's it. So we're gonna be testing that thing out. Super excited. I did try Geist products at Car Supplies, at the base when we went to the Creators Summit. It was amazing, and now I can't wait to restore, a steering wheel. I believe this is just for black steering wheels, but we will see. So this, once again, we're gonna check it out. So I'm excited about it. Now let's see what else we got over here. This I believe this is the one from, let me see, DIY Details. I did purchase some stuff from there because I like to support them as well, and I know this is gonna help me. I'm looking to try something different. I haven't yet, and we're gonna test it out. And this is all clean. So this is supposed to be highly dilutable, and that's what I like. So if I can get a product that I can use it on exterior, interior, anywhere, definitely I'm gonna. That thing has ceramic coating. You guys can see. Check it out. There it goes, moving slowly. Anyways, all right, let's move on over here. Let's see what else we got. We got the clay mitt. Oh, this is super soft. Look at that. Very nice. Soft. It's not like some other ones, they are pretty, I don't know, I feel like they are kind of rough, but this is soft. You guys can see. Very nice. So cool. I'm gonna put it the same way just in case, I don't want this right here to get stuck in the bag. So like I said, we're gonna be trying this out, and then if I love it, I can order some more. Yeah, you guys can see it's not for free. So I buy my stuff, to test it out. And over here, far as I remember, I did order the iron remover too. Use it with the clay mitt, because like Mr. Ivan says, if you can use the iron remover with the clay mitt and be able to save product, that's that's nice. So I do have the iron remover, which this iron remover is supposed to have some lubrication for the clay mitt. So, and that's what I'm looking for. I did order some more of Incredipole soils because I like it. I did order all clean, the bottle, just to have it. This is straight to use, and the other one is concentrate. But I do want to have the bottle, so that's why I did order it like that. And as well, I did order their water spot remover to try it out. And it comes with all of the, triggers. There you go. So, nice. And that's it. that's it. That's all I got. Super nice. I'm excited. Let's use it. So once again, that's all I got for today, for this video. Hope you guys like it. Once again, I'm gonna be trying out these products and I will let you guys know if I like them or not, or if I'm just gonna stick with the products that I use on the regular basis. All right, thank you guys. Short video for you guys. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.